In a world full of wonders, big and small, the most fantastic stories are the true ones. I'm Wise Owl. Well, that's what everyone calls me. And I welcome you to the Fantastic Facts. Hello, and welcome back to the library. Today, we're looking at some interesting facts. Way up. Our topic is the fantastic and fabulous facts of Final Frontier. The Fantastic Facts.
A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Reason: this is a fittingly colorful and dramatic collective noun, referencing the bird's vibrant pink plumage and their striking, synchronized group behaviors. When they gather in the hundreds or thousands to perform mating displays, feed, or take flight, the spectacle is indeed flamboyant. Other terms for a group include a stand or a colony, but flamboyance captures their visual impact best. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and their blood is blue. Reason: their unique circulatory system is adapted for an active, predatory lifestyle. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills to pick up oxygen. The systemic heart then pumps this oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses hemocyanin, a copper-based protein, to carry oxygen. Copper turns blue when oxygenated, like a rusty nail is to iron, whereas our iron-based hemoglobin turns red. A snail can sleep for 3 years straight. Reason: this is an extreme capability linked to estivation, or dormancy during dry or hot periods, or hibernation during cold. Snails are highly sensitive to moisture. If environmental conditions become too unfavorable, extreme drought, or cold, they can retract into their shell and seal the opening with a layer of mucus called an epiphragm. Their metabolism slows dramatically, allowing them to enter a state of suspended animation for months or even years until conditions improve. Butterflies taste with their feet. Reason: their tarsi, the last segments of their legs, are equipped with specialized chemoreceptors, taste sensors. When a butterfly lands on a leaf, it's instantly tasting it to determine if it's a suitable host plant on which to lay eggs. This allows for rapid, efficient assessment without needing to uncoil their proboscis, feeding tube, first. They also have taste receptors on their antenna and proboscis. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Reason: it's primarily due to their immense weight and bone structure. An elephant's legs are straight pillars of bone oriented directly under their bodies for maximum weight-bearing stability. They lack the flexible ankle joints and the spring-like leg tendons found in jumping animals. Their sheer mass, as in up to 7 tons, also makes generating the explosive force needed for a jump biomechanically impossible and potentially dangerous to their skeletal structure. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Reason: research has shown honeybees can be trained to recognize and remember human face-like patterns. They don't process faces the way we do, but they use configural processing. They learn the specific spatial arrangement of features, like dots for eyes, a line for a mouth. This demonstrates a remarkable level of visual learning and pattern recognition for an insect with a tiny brain, likely an extension of their ability to recognize complex flower patterns. A starfish doesn't have a brain. Reason: starfish, or sea stars, belong to the phylum Echinodermata. Instead of a centralized brain, they have a decentralized nervous system, organized in a nerve ring around the mouth, and radial nerves running down each arm. This allows for complex, coordinated behaviors, like moving and hunting, through a distributed network. They also have a unique water vascular system of hydraulic tubes for locomotion. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illnesses. Reason: because gorillas share approximately 98% of their DNA with humans, they are susceptible to many of the same respiratory pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. A common cold from a human visitor can be transmitted to a gorilla, and due to their lack of prior immunity, can develop into severe, life-threatening pneumonia. This is why strict health protocols are mandatory for researchers and ecotourists visiting them. Spider silk is stronger than a same-sized strand of steel. Reason: spider silk is a protein fiber with a unique combination of strength and elasticity. On a weight-for-weight basis, tensile strength, it's stronger than high-grade steel. Its structure consists of aligned crystalline protein regions that provide strength, linked by more flexible amorphous regions that provide stretch. This molecular architecture makes it incredibly tough, able to absorb immense amounts of energy before breaking. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. Reason: cows are highly social herd animals with complex emotional lives. Studies measuring heart rate and cortisol, stress hormone levels, show that cows form specific selective bonds with other individuals. When separated from their preferred partner, they show clear signs of anxiety and stress. When reunited, they display lowered stress levels and positive social behaviors, indicating genuine social attachment.
If you are enjoying the show, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next episode of The Fantastic Facts.